What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Gosh, it's nasty out today. And a day like today will remind you that you haven't replaced your rear windshield wiper in 2, 3, 4, maybe even more years. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Let me just start by saying buy this windshield wiper blade. If you don't, you might need a conversion kit. Just use the one in the description and it'll work perfectly. Let's get started, guys. Grab your keys. You're going to need them. Alright, so I got my key. Pretty sweet key, right? Check out my video for the AJT Designs install if you're interested in that. But let's get in the truck. Luna, don't get, damn it. Alright, well, you're gonna put your key in. You're gonna come here and turn on your rear wiper. And then you're gonna stop the car by turning the key while the blade is halfway down. Now let's get back there and swap it out. Alright, now that we got this here, we're just gonna flip this up and pull down. It's as simple as that. It'll kind of stay there, but we're gonna release it. Oops, don't do that to your own. It's hard to do this stuff one-handed. Alright guys, from here, you're going to press pretty much that top of the hole in, and then kind of work it right there, close it up. Now it's important to note, it has this little yellow film on it. You can take that off, just slide it down. Next, just hop back in the truck. Luna, no, back up. Get to your key switch, turn it on, turn your wiper blades to off, and you can see that it disappeared back up in there. And actually, guys, while we're at it, let's go ahead and pop the hood. Pop this little reservoir. Now it is spring now in North Carolina finally, so I'm using this plus 32, but if it's still cold where you are, you may want to put some like negative 30 or at least 0 in. But this one was actually bone dry. And these 4Runners take a ton. I think it takes like 1.5 gallons, so it'll suck this whole bottle down. But it's a nice time to go ahead and top it off whenever you're doing the wiper blades. Alright dudes, see you later.